They're solar freaking roadways. What do they want from me? Well, they're solar freaking roadways. Okay, so actually this time, what is it? It's technology that replaces all roadways, parking lots, sidewalks, driveways, tarmacs, bike paths, and outdoor recreation surfaces with solar panels. And not just lifeless, boring solar panels. Smart, microprocessing, interlocking, hexagonal solar units. No more useless asphalt and concrete just sitting there baking in the sun, needing to be repaved and filling with potholes that ruin your axle alignment on your sweet ride, bro. These are intelligent solar panels. Replaced a panel at a time if damaged or malfunctioning. They're covered with a new tempered glass material that has been designed and tested to meet all impact, load, and traction requirements. Oh, and did I mention that they're also solar panels? They generate electricity, they generate capital, they pay for themselves, and they keep paying more because we're not gonna run out of sun for like 15 billion years. That lowers the cost of energy, unlike those bills in the mail that keep going up. And it's clean energy. Everyone can theoretically drive an electric car with no pollution and a minimal carbon footprint. Can you imagine how good our cities would smell? How much healthier we'd all be? Excuse me, young man, am I being led to believe that this thing is some sort of thing? Yes, it's a thing. A real thing. And clean energy is only its primary function. Grab a notepad, because this is where it gets interesting. For those in the north, the panels use energy they collect to power elements to keep the surface temperature a few degrees above freezing. They're heated. No more ice and snow on roads causing traffic delays, accidents, and injury. No more shoveling your driveway and sidewalk. No salt corroding your car or wasting tax money on snow removal. And you can ride your bike or drive your motorcycle all year round. Whoa! Every panel has a series of LED lights on the circuit board that can be programmed to make landscape designs, warning signs, parking lot configurations, whatever. These roads never have to have lanes repainted, just reprogrammed to whatever we choose or whatever works best. Imagine a highway road lighting up ahead of you. How much safer it would be to drive at night. There'd be improved visibility for pilots landing on solar landing strips. Imagine walking onto a solar recreation court and choosing a sports configuration. Want to play basketball? Cool. Kids want to play hopscotch and Foursquare? Awesome. Ball hockey? Done. And with LED lights under your feet, it's gonna look like frickin' Tron out there. But real, because this is the real.
Everybody loves their morning coffee. But each year, the production of coffee generates millions of tons of waste. What if we could take that waste and turn it into something beautiful? Introducing Husky Cup. Made from discarded coffee husk, Husky Cup is a reusable ceramic alternative that's comfortable to hold and keeps your coffee hotter for longer. Our team of coffee experts have created a cup that's chip and crack resistant and is able to handle the rigors and demands of even the busiest cafe whilst remaining elegant and attractive.
Many people don't realize coffee is the seed of a fruit. This is a coffee cherry. Coffee starts out as 2 seeds inside this fruit and eventually ends up as a roasted coffee bean. The coffee seed has this layer of husk on it. Husky Cup comes from the unused husks.
So the advantage of the design without a handle means you can stack the cups really easily. The fins are a really functional part of the design. They act as a heat sink, but they also add grip and in the end just make a really comfortable cup to hold.
Husky Cup is recyclable and comes in a cafe-ready range of sizes, including the 6-ounce, 8-ounce, and 12-ounce cup with a saucer that matches them all. Husky Cup is dishwasher friendly, making it the perfect solution for both home users and cafes. If we used coffee husk from every coffee farm in the world, we would be saving millions of tons of waste every year. By backing this project, you're helping us realize that dream. So Kickstarter, now it's over to you.
Imagine if you could see electricity as it flowed through your home. Like a superhero with X-ray vision. You'd see the energy used to cool your rooms, cook your food, and light your home. And when it was being wasted, rather than used wisely, you'd know right away. We decided you shouldn't need superpowers to see where your energy goes. So we created Glow. Glow is like a fitness tracker for your home. It gives you and everyone in your home a sixth sense for how you use energy, so you can make smart decisions that benefit your bank account and help the environment. Glow analyzes your home's energy usage to understand how and when you use energy. If you're using more than normal, Glow turns amber, then red. When you're saving money, it glows green. And when you have extended high usage, like if someone accidentally left the coffee pot on or the fridge door open, Glow sends you a helpful notification. Glow also helps you avoid nasty surprises on your utility bill by forecasting your electricity cost. Just tell Glow how much you want to pay for electricity each month, and the app will help you stay on track. Getting started with Glow is as simple as plugging it in and placing our patent-pending inductive sensor on your meter. Using magneto-resistive sensing and advanced algorithms, Glow can measure and understand your home's energy usage without the need for professional installation or dangerous modifications to your home's wiring.
I'm Ben, one of the creators of Glow. After buying my first home, I got tired of receiving high electricity bills. I wanted to know where my energy was going so I could save money and reduce my impact on the environment. And now, I can. We've been testing Glow in homes for over 9 months. Now we need your help to bring Glow to people everywhere. So please take a moment and back our campaign.
You'll be the first to receive Glow so that you can start tracking your energy and saving money right away. We may not all have superpowers, but with Glow, we can make a difference, right here in our own homes.
Did you know that billions of batteries that we throw away have only used roughly 20% of their battery life? What if you could instantly tap into the other 80% that is still trapped inside? Now you can with Batteroo Boost. Batteroo Boost is a patented reusable stainless sleeve with electronics that slips over your new or used batteries and extends the battery life by tapping into the 80% that is usually thrown away. Having been selected by CNN Money as number 9 of the 36 coolest gadgets of 2015, Batteroo Boost can save you money by buying fewer batteries. Not to mention convenience of fewer trips to the store. If we line up the reported 15 billion batteries that end up in landfills, it would wrap around the Earth more than 18 times every year. Batteroo. Get more, waste less.
It's Thursday tradition here at HomeBiogas. That means banana pancakes.
In 2015, we launched our first Indiegogo campaign, showing the world how to turn this into this.
The idea of a backyard appliance that turns organic food scraps into cooking gas was first of its kind. We were so excited to see all these people from all over the world enjoying the system. The first campaign enabled us to get HomeBiogas to the heart of remote communities in need. People who have been cooking over firewood suddenly had clean, free energy. It was a huge step in fulfilling our vision. The amazing support inspired us to think forward. What if we could take the HomeBiogas appliance, make it even better, and reduce its overall cost? It took us over a year. HomeBiogas 2.0 is an advanced appliance that produces green, renewable energy. Installation is now simpler. Just fill the digester with water, mount the gas container using the supplied sandbags, and you're ready to go. The 2.0 version is 50% more productive, easier to maintain, and super durable. We've also added a HomeBiogas stove to give you the perfect solution. An average family produces about 2 liters of waste a day. Why should organic waste go into giant polluting landfills when it can go back into nature? HomeBiogas 2.0 can now produce up to 3 hours of cooking gas per day, more than enough for an average family. Plus, a top quality, completely organic fertilizer that goes back into the soil, your own backyard eco-cycle. Once food waste goes in, the bacteria digest the organic material and release biogas and fertilizer. No electricity is required, it is completely safe to use, odorless, and can digest anything, from fruits and veggies to meat and dairy. HomeBiogas 2.0 is now ready for mass production. We need your help to start the manufacturing process. If you believe in our cause, we invite you to back our campaign and share it with your friends and family. Thank you. More and more people are beginning to reduce, reuse, and recycle as a way of life. Nature has given us so much, and now it's time to give back.
A battery while you are outside. Now that is no longer an issue because PocketPower will help you out. PocketPower is a portable solar charger which is handy, efficient, on-the-go charging for a variety of devices. See, it's very easy to use. You just need to connect the USB end with PocketPower, the other end with your mobile phone. Let's take a look at the mobile phone. Wow, see the green bar? It's really charging now. PocketPower features on its pocket size which makes it easy to carry with. We'll now show more details about PocketPower. When you unfold it, it's 397 by 142 millimeters. Thickness is only 2 millimeters, even thinner than a coin, and has embedded magnets to keep it folded. When folded, the size is 101 by 142 millimeters, similar to an iPhone 6s, smaller than a mini iPad. Net weight of a PocketPower is 200 grams, which is even lighter than an apple. The PocketPower can charge any type of USB-enabled devices, including smartphones, power banks, tablets, Bluetooth headsets, smartwatches, and portable speakers. Other personal accessories include shavers and e-cigarettes. PocketPower adopts high-efficiency solar cell and ETFE lamination, which makes this panel super durable and effective, thus can be used in many applications. The best part of PocketPower is that it offers an eco-friendly way to keep devices charged at any time, anywhere. Please support us on Kickstarter and go green with PocketPower. Thanks.
SoleSource Sport harnesses solar energy to heat the cooking surface 5 times faster than a traditional charcoal grill. It's super easy to use, giving you more time to enjoy the day, fuel-free, rather than fiddle with the fire. Since SoleSource Sport has no flame and is cool to the touch, you can also use it in places like beaches, national parks, and apartment buildings where fire cooking isn't allowed. Treat yourself to fresh outdoor cooking, free of toxic smoke. You can grill with SolSource in the morning, midday, late afternoon, when it's cold, when it's windy, at the beach, even under passing clouds, as long as the sun is still smiling down on you. The solar reflectors are engineered with the ideal curvature for capturing the sun's rays, providing the equivalent of about 600 watts of raw cooking power. You can cook from approximately 1 hour after sunrise to 1 hour before sunset. On a bright, beautiful sunny day, for example, within 5 minutes the grill will be at grilling temperatures. Within 10, it'll be hot enough to sear. Within 10 minutes, charcoal is, well, it's getting there. Even though it's reflecting all that energy, the surface is cool to the touch, as the heat is focused directly onto the cooking surface, and only the cooking surface. Aligning the grill with the sun only requires you to look into the blackout mirror and aim the beam right at your pan. The V-shaped cutout puts you in the captain's chair of the SoleSource Sport, because you deserve this grill to work for you. How are we looking there? Okay. The grilling platform is a versatile pot stand that allows you to use the cookware you already own. You can grill, pan fry, saute, steam, boil, deep fry, pressure cook, and slow cook. We've taken our original model and redesigned it, with the on-the-go griller in mind. The new Sport assembles in less than 3 minutes and packs down to a lightweight 2-feet carrying case, giving you the freedom to cook anywhere. And remember, no flame means no smoke. Clean air cooking. Bright months are ahead, so get outside and get grilling. Whether it be your first grill, a grill for the patio, tailgate, beach, camping, a grill for the end of the world, or you're just looking for an upgrade. The SoleSource Sport makes you the star of any cookout, so head over to our crowdfunding page to take advantage of our early bird special pricing. Grill.